Hi, it's Alex here from Physiotherapy.Marketing. Welcome back to our Google Ad review series. This is video 23. Today we're using the keyword windscreen replacement. We've expanded from the physiotherapy market in an effort to find some professionally well-written ads. Unfortunately, windscreen replacement's not going to do it. Quickly looking over here, it's going to be a 4 out of 13, but let's get to that. There's 12,100 monthly searches for windscreen replacement, and the top click costs $4.10. So that's not a lot. It's a huge market, and windscreens, a lot of them are done on insurance, so it's free for the person to get it done. So it's a profitable business if you can get the customer at the right price. So let's take a look at O'Brien's. They're the top ad here. Let's have a look at the keyword use. No, they've just told us their name is O'Brien. That's fantastic. It's a 0 for URL. They haven't used the path at all, so that's a 0 for path. In that headline, they've told us it's auto glass windscreens, but they don't talk about replacement, so that's a 0. In the description, they talk about auto glass repair and replacement, but this is a generalized ad. This is not talking to the keyword used. You've got to be more specific. You've got to make the prospect, transform them, take them on a journey from their before position to their after position, and their after position is clicking on your ad or reaching out and making contact. And that story needs to be told in this brief space that you have. Very poor. And this is probably done by an ad agency. O'Brien's is a big company. O'Brien Windscreen's a big company in Perth. So very disappointing. Ad extensions, wow, they've got a phone number, fantastic. Any amateur could do that. And they've got this address, was the closest address, obviously, for when this ad was searched. But they don't have site links, there's no call outs, there's no images, and there's no structured snippets. Now, this would be much better if this was accompanied by an image of an O'Brien's service engineer replacing a windscreen, next to their van. So 2 out of 6, not very good. Call to action: we come to you, contact us. So why wouldn't you say call us today, we'll come to you, instead of we come to you, contact us? I'm not sure if English was this person's first language. And looking at the description, they tell us all sorts of interesting things here, and they do say call us for expert local auto glass repair and replacement. Fantastic, well done. And then there's no site links, so there's no call to action. So what do they tell us anything unique to see how we can go against the so what test? Well, maybe because they've told us anytime, anywhere, convenient location repair available all day, every day, nationwide. Now, they might be one of the only auto glass or windscreen repair replacement firms that can do that. So that's good, but they don't make any more of it by having a site link that talks all about their unique features. So you might even name your site link all day, every day, nationwide. And then in the description say, no other firm can make this claim or make this promise to you. So let's have a look at the score. 0, 2, and 2 is 4. 4 out of 13. For a big firm, which is a nationwide network, to have a score of 4 out of 13 is, if you're the agency doing this work, you should be ashamed of yourself. If you run an O'Brien's and pay a marketing fee, because I think O'Brien's is probably a franchise or maybe a leasing agreement, then you should be complaining to your marketing department. And if you want to get in touch with me, I can help you fix all these problems. So it's alex@physiotherapy.marketing. Now, I'm criticised this ad a lot. So why don't I tell you what I'd do? So number 1, this would be O'Brien, if you want to keep that name, it's a big brand. Say, the path should say windscreen replacement. That's easy. Headline should say O'Brien's windscreen replacements. And it would be call today and we'll come to you. Then in the description, see this here, call us today, da 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 da. This is actually pretty good, but you want to say call us for expert windscreen replacement. That's all you don't order glass repair and replacement. Windscreen replacement. You want it to be easy. You want to say windscreen, windscreen, windscreen. That would be 3 out of 4. And in the site links callouts, it's all available for free inside Google's ad platform. All you have to do is fill in the information. Anybody could have watched a 15-minute YouTube video on this and done a better job than this ad. So we would have site links and the callouts, etc. So site links would be all about windscreen replacement, all about their unique selling point, which is anytime, anywhere, nationwide network. It would be about the insurance that's covered. You could have an image of a guy fixing a windscreen or a girl fixing a windscreen, even better, and an O'Brien's van. All of those things would look much better. And then you've got some call to actions, and then one of your site links should be a call to action around call us, we'll come to you, average service time, or we have same day appointments, whatever it might be that you can tell us. So once you've filled in all these basic gaps, expanded on this unique information, like this all day, every day nationwide claim is gold if you can back it up with some information. Yeah, that would really be an authoritative, trusted position for somebody who needs their windscreen fixed now. Because that might be, given your size, you might be able to send a van today in the next 30 minutes. So once you've done all that, test the A/B test the control, and then adjust with the results. If you own O'Brien's or a franchisee there and want some help, reach out to me at alex@physiotherapy.marketing. If you have a windscreen replacement business and want some advice, or if you're in small business where you need to attract customers via Google Ads, get in touch with me, alex@physiotherapy.marketing, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, go to our website, check out our services. We've got 22 other videos like this where I talk about a lot of the same issues, and they are easy to fix, and then you can get into the really good nuanced stuff about turning those prospects into customers. So I look forward to hearing from you. That's it for today. Thank you.